Good morning, guys. It's morning here, so that's why I'm saying good morning. Okay, so hi. Maybe you're watching our video in the middle of the night, so okay. So it's me, Lisa, and I have Aisha with me, and we are making routes. Aisha, say hello. Don't be rude.
Hello, everybody.
Okay, so now we are gonna make a route for Pinner Test Center, and Aisha, stop touching my brake. Okay, so this is the problem. She's sitting on the passenger side. Okay, so we are making a route. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you quickly subscribe, because we are gonna come up with very a lot of videos for routes, test center routes, and soon we are gonna start mock tests as well.
Yes.
So you'll be having fun with the mock tests as well, and you can also text us on WhatsApp if you are with any other school and you wanna go for a mock test. You can just call us. We'll put you on a waiting list for a free mock test, and but then remember, you're gonna be on our video as well. Okay, so now we're making a route for Pinner Test Center, and we are just outside the Pinner Test Center, and we're gonna start our route from here. So now we are out of the Pinner Test Center. We cannot go in because it's closed at the moment, and we would not go in even if it was open, because other people have tests and we don't want to make it difficult for the other students. So now we are gonna turn left from this first road. So you'll be position your car to this side, and make sure you stop on your stopping line, and so you can see properly if anybody is coming from the left or right. And now we carry on.
And we are on Tolkien Drive, and the examiner can ask you to pull up on the left hand side.
Yes, they mostly do it here on Token Drive. So end of the road.
We are turning right.
Okay.
So you can see it's 20 speed on this road, and it's gonna change to 30 on the next road.
Yes, but still be careful. Don't just go 30 if it's written there that it's 30.
Yes, definitely.
Focus on how the how the traffic is on that road, how many cars are parked on the left and right. So as you can see, you can actually not be super fast here, or
and we are turning left.
Yes, so Catlin Lane.
Yeah, and this road
Lane
is Chamberlain Way, and we are turning left in Catlin's Lane.
Okay.
Yes, and on this road, he may ask you to pull up on the left somewhere.
I'm yawning. It's too early.
But you had your coffee, no?
Yeah, I had my coffee, but I think I will need another one.
So as you have seen, speed limit is 30.
Yes. But just remember, again, I would say, have a look at the road. Can you drive 30? Is it safe to drive 30? Like now I need to overtake this parked vehicle. So, and
Definitely
it was a bend.
on this road. Yeah.
So it's not like very smart to drive 30.
So we are approaching to the end of this road. We are turning right of it.
Okay, so I'm signaling right with my checks.
It's very narrow, so be careful.
Yes. So make sure you stop on this stopping line, because now you can see, I can see a learner coming towards us, but he is signaling to the left. That's why I just moved.
And still the road is 30.
Yes. Now I can drive 30. So just remember, and now you can see it's 20 on the bend. So I just get off the gas, just slow down a little bit.
And this road called High Road Eastcote. So we are approaching two mini roundabouts. On the first mini roundabout we are going ahead, and on the second mini roundabout we'll be turning left, first exit.
Okay, so I'm just quickly gonna stop here and explain. As you can see ahead of you, there are two lanes. So now I'm gonna go. If the examiner have told you to take the first exit left on the second roundabout, you stick to the left lane as it's a left turning only. But if he asks you to go second roundabout on the second roundabout, then you are going to position your car to the right hand side.
Yeah.
That's very important. You keep an eye on your lane marking.
This road calls Field End Road.
And anybody doing this kind of thing, like turning in front of you, just get off the gas quickly as soon as you spot them, because you remember the hazard perception on in the theory test.
So we are approaching another mini roundabout. Just follow the road ahead. Take first exit of this roundabout.
Okay, and another thing again on this roundabout, looking at the right hand side, you can see there are 2 lanes. Okay, there are 2 lanes here as well. So the left lane is going ahead. On the right hand side, there are 2 lanes as well. One is going left, one is going right. So if somebody is on the right hand lane, that means they're coming towards you. So you need to be careful.
Road speed, you can see we can't see any signs, so it means 30. And this is Bridle Road.
Bridle Road, yes. Remember, again, I'm going to tell you that whichever side you turn your steering wheel to, check that side mirror, including the middle mirror. That's the easiest way to check. Oh, yeah. Aisha's showing me houses. This is how. Oh yes. You know what? That I installed that. That thing over there because of mock test coming up soon.
Yes.
So we are starting.
Get ready for the free mock test.
Free mock tests. Yes.
Okay, we are turning right on this road.
Okay, so I'm gonna position my car a little into the middle. You can see there is an arrow on the road. It's just so faded, but it's still there. So if the examiner can see it, that means he expect you to see it as well.
Yeah, and this road called Leancroft Lane.
Leancroft Lane.
Leancroft.
Okay, Leancroft Lane. That's okay.
And we will be turning right shortly. Not now.
Okay.
Keep going, I will tell you.
Okay.
So basically, it's the second road on the right hand side.
Okay. What's the name of the road?
The name of the road would be Cannon Lane.
Okay. That is the one then. So we start signaling. No one is coming. He's very far away. I'm gonna turn.
And on Cannon Lane, we will turn left on the first road.
Okay. Where is the first road?
Coming. All right.
Oh my God, that's a long.
The right there.
There it is.
The reference is this
St. Michael's Crescent.
bus stop.
Okay,
Yeah.
so after the bus stop, there is a road. St. Michael's Crescent.
And at the end of this road, we will turn left.
Okay.
So this part can be through SatNav, the independent driving session of the test.
Okay.
And on this road, maybe he can ask you for the parking. At the end of this road, we are turning left.
Okay. Check your middle mirror, your left mirror signal. Come back to your position and stop over here. So somebody's coming.
we will take third road on the right hand side. That would be the Cannon Lane again. Turn right. So the reference for this road is this pub over there. What's the name?
Over there. People can't see. Sometimes students can't see the traffic light. You're talking about the pub.
But it's very
I mean, I had a few students. They couldn't see the traffic light. They literally had a 7 a.m. test, and they banged onto the brake, like foot brake. Honestly, that was a sad fail. But that's sometimes, obviously, make sure if you have a test tomorrow morning, you have enough sleep.
Yes. At the end of the road, we are turning right.
Okay.
So from the Cannon Lane, we are turning right into Eastcote Road. Okay.
Okay.
We are approaching to a mini roundabout. We will turn left first exit of the mini roundabout. On this mini roundabout, on the right hand side, it's very less vision. So, any tips?
Yes. But a lot of people, what they do when they sneak out, they go very slow.
Yeah.
If you move off, you cross your stopping line, you need to be quick, because otherwise somebody is gonna definitely come from the right hand side.
And this road is March Road. And just after the next zebra crossing,
yeah, so be careful over here.
We will turn left.
Yeah, just after the bend, there's a zebra crossing, and a lot of people
fail over here.
Yeah. So where are we going?
Left.
Okay, so we signal left, and then we turn left.
You can see there is a parking on the left hand side. Maybe you can see or not. There is a parking on the left over here. So they can ask a forward bay park or maybe reverse. It's up to the examiner.
So as you saw, the lane was very narrow, so I had to stop behind for the other car, for the upcoming traffic. So you have to be very careful here. Make sure you position your car to the far left.
Yes, at the mini roundabout, we are turning right.
Okay.
This is Bridge Street and we are turning right.
So this is a mini roundabout now, and we are turning right.
Yeah, and the name of this road is West End Lane.
West End Lane.
Alright, so we will be turning left on Second Road.
Okay.
Turn left.
Okay. I think that's Highview, right?
Yes, that's the So on this road, he may ask for emergency stop, possible stops on the left, or maybe maneuvers. Any maneuver he can perform on this road because this is very wide, and mostly this is very quiet road. But it doesn't mean nobody is gonna come.
Obviously, you have to be careful. It's a quiet road. I'm gonna close my eyes and drive. No, that's not happening. Okay. So make sure, sweetheart, you have a espresso. That's my tip. Double espresso before your test. That is gonna give you a 99% pass guarantee. Honestly.
At the end of this road, you can see a stop sign, so definite stop. But before that, you can see parked cars. Make sure you do not do any correction fault on this road. So end of the road, turning left.
So now I can see a cyclist, and he smiled. That was sweet. And now I'm chasing him. He smiled and now I'm chasing him.
Beautiful.
Okay.
So Coco Hill basically on this patch, I would say it's 20.
Okay. And then?
It's not written anywhere, so I'm telling you.
Okay. So how do you know that?
I know that because
You know that? Okay, Aisha, know that, okay? So you better listen to Aisha. So now you see, yes, it was 20. Now it's starting as 30 from here.
yeah, and we will
But
be turning right.
On
so
the bend, it's again 20.
it's again 20.
Yes, so be very careful with your speed limits, okay?
Yes. And we are turning right shortly.
Ah. Catlin's Lane again.
Catlin Lane.
You love this road. You just keep
I
taking me
don't.
back to this road.
They love this road. They love this road. And this turning is very, very narrow. Make sure you stay in your side of the road.
Yes.
Please give enough space to the oncoming vehicle. Do not fear at this point because we are just going inside the test center after this road.
Yeah. Check and come back to your lane.
End of the road, turn right again at the Chamberlain Way.
Okay. And here, this is a point where I would say make sure you stop. Okay. Don't just try to I was about to miss a car. See? See, they got free publicity.
Take the next road and turn left into Tolkien Drive.
And it's again 20. Are we going back to the test center now?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. So here your test is ending and we are going to turn right. So guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and also click on the bell notification. So I'm gonna turn right. Make sure you check the other side. Anyone is coming? If no, but still stop here because there can be people coming out of the test center. So we will be stopping here and then check properly to the right and then go into the test center and then we stop again. Look after yourself. If you have a test coming up soon, make sure you pass it, okay? Have a double espresso. That's gonna guarantee you a pass. Okay, and because that's gonna open your eyes and you won't fail for some silly reason. And then that's it. Look after yourself and make sure if you can't find a test date, call us. We'll get you a test date, early test date, and we have a mock test coming up soon. And you can get a free mock test if you want to be on our YouTube videos.
If you want to register, the number is down in the description.
Yeah, or it's 075 722 87713. Just WhatsApp us, okay? Look after yourself. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.